There we go.
All right, back on the record. This is Bear County Court Law number 6 in the Bear County Veterans Treatment Court, continuing their motion to revoke probation docket. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of October, 2021, and it is approximately 1:30 p.m. We are currently on case 619-095, styled State of Texas versus Monica H. Aguilar, represented by Mr. Ross Brendel. And I asked Mr. Brendel to go into a breakout room with Ms. Aguilar and see if my proposed resolution of this case was going to be acceptable to the defense. What's your answer, Mr. Brendel?
Yes, with the understanding that, she paid that funds within, I guess, next Monday, that her case would be closed effective.
She will have a JSAT. She will still have a conviction. Well, she has a conviction anyway. She will just have a JSAT on this case, which she will understand means that there will be no further jail time. Jail time was originally ordered, but it'll be waived because she paid in full the money she owed the probation department.
Okay, great. Yeah, she paid $300 of that actually this morning.
She'll get credit for whatever she paid. It'll show up on the computer before Monday, and we'll get it figured out.
But she assured that
money she paid, whether it shows up right now or not, she gets credit for it.
Yeah, she assured that she does have that money and that she will pay it as soon as possible.
All right, Susan, do me a favor, check one more time on your computer and see if it still shows the amount we initially thought.
Your Honor, and just for the record, the state agrees with the court's proposed resolution for this case.
I am refreshing my screen, Judge. It's coming back right now. And I show that there's a balance of $957 and delinquent $306.
All right. Today, Mr. Brendel, I'm going to order $957 with the understanding that if she's paid today and it's just not on the computer yet, she's going to get credit for it. So it's going to be less than it'll be $657 or something. It was $300. And I just got to play the cards I'm dealt. But if we have a problem on Monday, I can amend the amount if that's what we need to do. So whatever,
just in case,
gets credit for.
In other words, as long as she pays everything and there's a zero balance, that's what the judge is looking for, a zero balance.
Yeah, just in case, I know it takes the update, but I asked her if she had $957 regardless of paying at $300, and she said yes. So regardless, she will pay all of it.
Susan, reminder of the $2.
Yeah, and there's a $2 fee. So it would actually be $959.
All right. And Mr. Brendel, based on the truth of your client, my suggestion and request of the defense is that you change your plea from not true to all to true with an explanation number 2, which is use marijuana. And the rest of them you can still plead not true to, obviously. Would that be equitable to the defense also, since we have a resolution in sight? Great.
Yes, as long as we just talked about is still there.
All right. Clause number 619-095, the court accepts a change in plea from the defense of Miss Monica Huron Aguilar to where it was originally pled not true on condition 2, and now it's going to be true with an explanation and still not true to the other allegations. Is that correct, Mr. Brendel?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Right, fair enough. Any objection from the state?
No objection from the state, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Aguilar, on clause 619-095, the court accepts your plea of true with an explanation to condition 2 on the motion to revoke community supervision, not true to the other allegation. I grant the state's motion to revoke your probation. I sentence you to 6 months in the Bear County Jail. Susan, what was the original fine amount, please?
$400.
It says a $400 fine plus court costs, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. You're ordered to report to the Bear County Jail at 9:00 a.m. on Monday, November 1st, 2021 to start serving your sentence. However, if before that date and time, you pay the remaining balance owed by you to the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department of $957, I will waive your jail sentence. If you do that, I will not know you've done that. You have to let your attorney know. He'll let me know. I'll confirm with probation. Then I send in an order that basically says defendant PIF paid in full waived jail sentence, judgment satisfied. Okay? So let them know if you paid any money today that hadn't shown up on the computer, you still may, you'll get credit for whatever it is you paid. So if you paid 300 today, that means it's only 657. Remaining balance is what my order is going to do. Your remaining balance, which right now we think is 957, but it could be less because your payment hadn't been processed. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
Rendell,
you.
is that clear?
Yes, Your Honor, and
All right.
I'll assist in providing that documentation to the court that she paid everything.
All right, perfect. Anything further from the state or the defense on Ms. Aguilar?
Nothing further from the state.
All right. You have any questions, Ms. Aguilar?
No, sir, I just want
All
to
right.
say thank you to the court, and you won't be seeing me again.
We'd like to thank you for your honesty. We don't get a whole lot of that around here. All right. Thank you, Mr. Brendel. You're dismissed. And thank you, Ms. Aguilar. Best of luck.